Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tips in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use proxy editing. So if you are working with large files such as 4K footage, proxy editing will speed up Screenflow. Here I have an open Screenflow project that I'm editing, and on my timeline I have all 4K footage. You can see up in my media bin, this is the footage I'm working with. To set up proxy editing in Screenflow 9, come up to the Screenflow menu at the very top, and then select Preferences, or use the keyboard shortcut Cmd Comma. Then you're going to go to this fourth tab, Proxy, and here's where you can customize the preferences. For Proxy Creation Mode, I recommend you start with Manual. That means that you will have to tell Screenflow whenever you want to create proxies, versus having it set to automatically try to do it, or to always have them turned on. So I'm going to keep mine at Manual, and I'm going to leave the rest the same. There's a description here that explains what proxies are. You can think of proxies as a smaller file-sized copy of your original 4K footage or any larger footage. So while you're editing, Screenflow is using the smaller file size, so it's not as computer intensive and it will speed up your workflow. But when it comes time to export, Screenflow will look at the original footage so you do not lose any quality when exporting the final renders. So to actually use proxy editing, you're going to first set up your proxy preferences, and then you're going to come down to your timeline and select the footage that you want to create proxies for. You can also select all of the footage. Just right click or control click, select proxy, and then select create. This option will not be available if there's any footage that cannot be used in proxy editing. But go ahead and select the footage that you want to create proxies for, right click or control click, select proxy, then click create. Once you click create, you'll see these little pink circles. You'll see the circles filled in, indicating that the proxies have been created. And if you ever want to remove or delete the proxies at any time from your footage, just select the footage or select all the footage, right click, control click, go to proxy, and now instead of create, you will see the option to delete. So just click on delete, and now you're back to the original footage. Screenflow will no longer reference the proxy editing files. And that is how you use proxy editing in Screenflow 9 to speed up your editing process. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.